Nui! Ao Nani Hawaiian Coloring book is back and better than ever. I wanted to introduce you guys to a fresh and upgraded version of Ao Nani Hawaiian Coloring book, inspired by the beloved mele composed by Mary Kawena Pukui. This coloring book follows the mele's journey through Ao Nani, our beautiful world. There are some things I changed from the last version, and now you'll find even more native Hawaiian species inside. But you'll see I left some non-native species we see here in Hawaii today. Each coloring page features different species by its Hawaiian name, making it just a wonderful way to build your Olelo Hawaii vocabulary as you or your keiki color. Learn and color manu soaring high above, the vibrant pua blooming down below, the lush forests of the uplands, and the playful ocean friends beneath the waves. And of course, everything nani in between. Don't wait! Order your copy today at downloadhawaii.com and let Ao Nani bloom in your home. Ahui ho and mahalo nui loa.